Want to swap faces with your favorite stars? Imagine putting Robert Downey Jr.'s face on Captain America's body. Sounds cool, right? Welcome back to the Pinocchio series. In the last two videos, we learned how to install Pinocchio and FaceFusion on Windows. Let's get started. First, open the Pinocchio app. Simply double-click the FaceFusion button to open the tool. Next, click on the Run Default button to start FaceFusion. Wait for a moment, and soon, you'll get a link to open FaceFusion directly in your browser. Now, it's time to upload the images you want to swap. For the source image, I'll choose Robert Downey Jr. and for the target image, I'll upload a picture of Captain America, Steve Rogers. Once the images are uploaded, just wait for a moment. You'll soon see a preview of how the face swap will look. Take a look at the magic happening right here. You can set the output folder where your swapped image will be saved. Plus, adjust the resolution of your image. If you have a powerful GPU, you can even enable CUDA for faster processing. When you're ready, hit that Start button and let FaceFusion work its magic. The process may take a little time, but don't worry, you'll be able to track the progress right in the terminal. Once the process is complete, your face-swapped image will be saved in your chosen output folder. And here's the final result. What do you think? Does it look awesome or what? We'd love to hear what you think. In the next video, we'll show you how to change faces in videos. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.